For decades, networks were all about hardware, routers, switches, firewalls, each managed separately. Making changes meant logging into every device, typing commands, and hoping for no mistakes. This manual process was slow, complex, and error-prone. As businesses moved to the cloud and apps became global, this old model just couldn't keep up. Enter software-defined networking, or SDN, a revolution in how we build and manage networks. SDN shifts the intelligence from individual hardware boxes to a centralized software controller. Imagine conducting an orchestra from one podium instead of running between musicians. With SDN, you direct the entire network from a single point, creating harmony and efficiency. Tasks that took days now take minutes. You gain complete visibility and control from one dashboard. Security and compliance policies are enforced automatically across thousands of devices. SDN isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. It empowers organizations to innovate and compete at a new level. The era of hardware-centric networking is over. SDN is the new standard happening right now. Welcome to the new era of networking. So, what is software-defined networking? SDN separates the network's brain, the control plane, from its muscle, the data plane. Traditionally, every device made its own decisions and forwarded data, making management inefficient. SDN centralizes all intelligence into a single software controller. The controller has a top-down view, knowing all devices and traffic. Network devices become simple, programmable machines, following the controller's instructions. Think of it like a central dispatch for delivery trucks, optimizing every route in real time. You define your intentions in the controller, like prioritizing video traffic or blocking threats. The controller translates your intent and pushes them to all devices. This makes networks programmable, automated, and agile. Managing large-scale networks becomes faster and less error-prone. SDN is the magic that makes modern networking possible. SDN is already transforming the world's biggest networks. VMware NSX virtualizes entire networks in software, letting admins build secure, complex networks in minutes. Google uses SDN and OpenFlow to control its global backbone, optimizing traffic and reliability at massive scale. On university campuses, SDN enables policy-based automation. Users get the right access wherever they connect. In telecom, DriveNet separates software from hardware, letting providers use standard equipment and innovate faster. SDN slashes costs, boosts flexibility, and accelerates service delivery. From data centers to campuses to telecom, SDN is the engine of modern networking. It's not just theory. It's powering the networks you use every day. The SDN revolution is real, and it's everywhere. Cisco leads the SDN charge with a portfolio tailored for every network domain. Their approach is intent-based networking. You tell the network your goal, and it figures out how to deliver. Cisco's SDN solutions include SD-WAN for wide area networks, DNA Center with software-defined access for campuses, and ACI for data centers. Each tool automates and secures a specific part of your infrastructure. SD-WAN connects branches and clouds. DNA Center secures user and device access. ACI powers application connectivity. Together, they form a unified end-to-end solution. All share SDN's core centralized management, automation, and programmability. This lets organizations move from slow, manual networking to agile, secure, and automated systems. Understanding these three technologies is key to building a modern network. With Cisco SDN, digital transformation becomes reality. The WAN connects your offices, remote workers, and cloud apps. Traditional WANs relied on expensive, rigid circuits, hardly ideal for today's cloud-first world. Cisco SD-WAN changes the game, letting you use any mix of connections: MPLS, broadband, 4G, 5G, a centralized controller, vManage, lets you set policies for all your sites from one dashboard. You can prioritize critical traffic, reroute around outages, and optimize performance automatically. The result? Lower costs, better app performance, and simple management. New sites come online in minutes, not weeks. Any organization with multiple locations and cloud needs can benefit. Retail, finance, healthcare, manufacturing, SD-WAN modernizes them all. It's the smart, secure way to connect your distributed enterprise. SD-WAN is the WAN for the cloud era. Inside your buildings, managing access and security is complex. Cisco DNA Center with Software-Defined Access, SDA, automates and secures campus and branch networks. DNA Center is your command center, giving you a single view to design and enforce policies. With SDA, you group users and devices by identity, not just location. Policies define what each group can access, automatically enforced when they connect. Onboarding new users or devices is fully automated, saving time and reducing errors. Microsegmentation isolates groups, containing threats and boosting security, perfect for universities, hospitals, and large enterprises with diverse users and devices. The network becomes intelligent, context-aware, and self-securing. No more manual configs, just smart, policy-driven access. The campus network is now truly smart. The data center is the heart of your enterprise, demanding speed and security. Cisco ACI puts applications first, define what your apps need, and the network configures itself. The AppIC controller manages everything centrally. You set policies for how app components communicate. ACI enforces them automatically. Deploying new apps takes minutes, not weeks. ACI's zero-trust model means only approved traffic flows. Security is built in, ideal for enterprises, financial services, and cloud providers needing agility and protection. ACI bridges developers and network teams, speeding innovation. It's the automated, secure foundation for modern applications. With ACI, your data center becomes truly application-centric. Cisco's SDN solutions form a unified, intent-based network for every domain. SD-WAN connects your sites and clouds, DNA Center secures your campuses, and ACI powers your data center. All share centralized management, automation, and deep analytics. Think of your network as a country cities, data centers, towns, campuses, highways, WAN. Each Cisco SDN tool fits a domain, but they work together seamlessly. Policies set in one domain extend across the others, ensuring consistent security and experience. This breaks down silos and creates a single, intelligent network. SDN is about managing the network as a whole, not individual boxes. You tell the network your intent. It handles the rest. Cisco's SDN portfolio is your platform for digital innovation. Embrace SDN, and you're building a future-ready network. The future of networking is here, and it's powered by software. Welcome to the era of intent-based networking.